In this video, I'll show you how to fix your Sony Soundbar in case it's not connecting to the Sony wireless subwoofer it came with. Now, this could be because of many different reasons, and I'll show you how to reconnect them together. So the first step, obviously, is to turn on your Sony Soundbar. Usually there's a power button on top, tap on it, it takes like 10 seconds, it will be turned on. Next, we need to put the Sony Soundbar into pairing mode so it sees and connects to the subwoofer. And how do you do this? Well, you need to go again on the top panel right over there. You'll need to press the Bluetooth button at the same time as the volume up button, both at the same time, until you see over here something appearing. So let me do it with you. Okay, I'm pressing Bluetooth and volume up, and just wait like this until you see secure link. Then lift your finger from these two buttons. Now you have around 30 seconds to go in the back of the subwoofer. You're gonna notice there is a power button and also a link button. Press the link button during 1 second. And I'll press it, but I want you to focus on the screen of the soundbar. All right, I'm pressing now. 1 second, I release. And you're gonna see done appearing quickly on the soundbar itself. This means that both of them are now connected. Unfortunately, you won't have any issues after doing this small trick. If it works and in the future it keeps disconnecting multiple times and you have to redo the same thing, I suggest you do a factory reset of your soundbar. Maybe something is wrong with it, and by doing a factory reset, it will be like new. So how do you do this? Now, it really depends on which model you have. But typically, I'll show you 3 different ways and you can try them. It takes just a few seconds. So first of all, make sure the soundbar is actually turned on and you're seeing something appearing on the screen. Once the soundbar is turned on, you're gonna go on the top, you're gonna see these buttons. Almost all Sony soundbars have the same buttons. They may look different, but they are in the same order, and yeah, they're over there. There are 5 of them. For this particular model, what I need to do is to press the power button at the same time as the volume down button for 5 seconds. And if I look at the screen over here, I will see reset appearing. Then once you see reset, lift your finger from these buttons. Now, different Sony models have different ways on how to reset them. Some other models, you need to press the power button, the button right beside it, and volume up. All these 3 buttons for 5 seconds, and then you're gonna see reset. If this still doesn't work, other models requires you to press the power button and the volume up button both at the same time to get the same result. So you need to try one of these 3 combinations and find the one that actually works for your Sony soundbar. I also read that some of them requires you to press volume up and volume down for 5 seconds. So again, you can try all of these in less than 2 minutes. Let me show you on mine. So I'll press power and volume down. And I take a look at the screen. Here you go. Once you see reset, you can lift your finger and you just have to wait around 15 seconds. We're not done yet, by the way, so just stick with me a few more seconds. Once you see this message disappearing from the screen, you're gonna see TV or something else. Okay, TV, you see? Now we have to disconnect this power bar, this sound bar from its power source. So simply pull the cable, even if it's turned on, don't worry. Wait around 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, reconnect the power cable in the back. Usually after you connect it back, the soundbar should power on by itself. Check the screen, it says hello here, please wait, blah, blah, blah. And this is about it. Your Sony soundbar should be finally factory resetted. And if you had trouble connecting it to its subwoofer, this should fix by itself, and many other problems. So please take a moment and comment down below. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. By the way, you may have to repress the power button here to turn it on.